Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about drilling machine and how to operate it properly. Let's introduce ourselves with the drilling kit first. There are a number of tools present in the kit. It consists of a claw hammer, normal in size, moving on to the plier. This is an adjustable wrench, which is used to unscrew or grip various parts. This tool is called the leveler, which is used to measure the straightness of parts or tools. And here comes the actual drilling machine. You can use various drill bits and attach it to its head, according to your needs. There are a number of drill bits to choose from, each varying in size. This is the tool holder. You can attach the drill bit on it and then attach this on the machine. First, inspect the machine for any defects or problem. If everything is fine, you can start operating with it. First, remove the cover. Then start inserting the drill bit to its head. Use the special key to tighten the grip over the head, so that it can hold the tool firmly. Now it's all ready to use. First, attach the screw to the drill bit head. Make sure the drill bit holds the screw perfectly. Then position it on the surface where you want to use the machine. Press the trigger to start operating the machine. You can even use it to unscrew something by changing the rotation of the drill machine. You can use it to even pierce through thick metal sheet by choosing the correct bit size and parameters.